Baseball team. Birds. Okay. 2025. Blue Jays team. Blue Jay birds. One talks chirps. One talks words. One in nest. One in dome. One use twigs. One use foam.
Hello?
The team is the best. The birds build nests. The birds eat bees. The team spits seeds. Human. Birds. Okay. What do I want? One is chimp of the AL East. Other is ham for a gray owl's feast. One will peck, the other will hit. Both love eating, then taking a shit. They're both part of nature, but one is dumb. The birds can't talk or chew no gum, but the men can't fly and the men can't chirp. The birds can't smile and the birds can't work. Birds flap wings and peck at corks.
Yeah.
Blue Jays men don't like New York.
They're not a good team.
Opposable thumbs. Good feet. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 9 Jays out there, featherless men. 9 birds out there, feathered hens. Dome is home for the human jays. Tree and branch for the bird blue jays. If there's one thing that they both agree, it's they both love to eat.
Game PB.
Latin name for jay is Cyanota crissata. Vladimir the blue jay always says, let's hear the chorus one more time. I can't think of any more blue jay rhymes.